we live in a world where the minority is very suffer to begin with, such as the black people, for example, or the vulnerable people, because they are being discriminated by the status quo, because they cannot access any facility. That is why they end up by victimized by the law or the traditional mechanism that the government provide towards them, because they are, to begin with, are less of power, for example, because they are very discriminated to begin with. That is why this is the word that we are regret in our side. Because of this kind of status quo, we want to protect this kind of minority, for example, because we think that the traditional mechanism cannot solve the problem, because they still cannot cover the problem that the minority faces, ladies and gentlemen. So this is why, like, under our side, our mechanism is like kind of like we would like to create independence company, for example, toward the research in terms of making decision in, for example, that coming from the IT or the professional that really understand about the technology itself, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because this kind of independence company that they don't have any tendency to the government itself or to the law itself, ladies and gentlemen. That is why we think that this is the affordable actor that can be create a fair justice until the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen. And secondly, if they worry about our funding, we think that status quo is already progressive. For example, that there are a lot of case of humanity, that there are a lot of people that care to the humanity itself. That is why we think that this kind of community, for example, that can give funding to us, that is why we can gain the charity itself, that can be help our mechanism in the status quo, ladies and gentlemen. Two layers in my speech. Number one, why AI is effective than human itself, and secondly, why it leads to the misjudge itself. Number one, we think that this kind of big data, for example, we provide a high technology such as the big data. How it works, like this big data, on how the process is like involved the big processor, for example, a big memory, for example. That is how this kind of big data work. Is like, number one, we can identify the status quo or the activity of people, that we can monitor or record the internet activity or online activity in the very little thing, for example, such as we able to access their social media, their application in their phone, for example, their economy activity, that even the very little thing is become a crucial, ladies and gentlemen. And also, like, secondly, we can do a more effective analysis, because we can be fast in terms of comparing the investigation, because we have a more affordable graphic, for example, more affordable table toward the data that we want to gain from this kind of big data. That is why we believe that in taking decision, it will be more effective, ladies and gentlemen. And also, to begin with, because we using the high technology, for example, that is why we can prevent the harming that might come, because we already provide a high protection that cannot be hacking, for example, or the case of virus, for example, it will be hard to attack us, ladies and gentlemen. And secondly, because this is a high technology that basically not everyone understand the technology itself, ladies and gentlemen, and the result itself is like we can create a safety process during the investigation and so on and so forth, ladies and gentlemen. And secondly, it's like compared to the human itself, we think that it is less likely effective to give the making decision to the human itself, because number one, other than the different capacity between the human itself and the technology, even if they provide a professional educated people, for example, because they are more progressive and so on and so forth, but we think that it is not enough, ladies and gentlemen, because this kind of community, for example, because they are more very progressivity, because they live in the very progressive community, for example. That is why they have a less exposure to the poor people itself. They never experience to the poor people life itself. Then they need to investigate more, and that is why the result is they take a long time investigation, ladies and gentlemen. And even if, like, they said that there is a empathy that we can use, that will be helping this kind of poor people, for example, or the vulnerable peoples. Yes, technology don't have emotional to giving you empathy and so on and so forth, to identify your emotional, but we think that it cannot be using until the end of the day in terms of making decision. Because why? the idea of empathy, like when you having emotional bonding to the people that you know, like your proximity, a community, for example, your family, your friend. But what happened when the strangers that you want to investigate, ladies and gentlemen? Of course, your empathy, your emotional bonding will never be appear, and that is why this is not work until the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen. And secondly, human itself, they have in terms of intention, they can be manipulate the data itself, because through the process they have power to and personal interest, for example, to manipulate the data at the end of the day. That is why this kind of data cannot be trusted until the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen. And secondly, why we think that it can be lead to the misjudge or create unfair justice, because number one, we have to understand that the progressive people, they have their community, because they have a different environment. For example, like they are concerned to their majority itself. That is why it can be lead to the bias cause of the narrative of majority and minority, for example. Also, we cannot identify the feeling or emotional of people, that how the mindset of people itself. That is why this kind of thing like lead you to the misjudge misjudge itself. And the result is like let me show you the case, like in case of politician, for example, because they still focus to their minority, that basically the majority itself is the one that contribution. That is why there will be a tendency toward this majority itself. That is why misjudge. That is why a bias itself, it can be happen in their side. And lastly, like because taking decision, because in terms of making decision, they need a long investigation, because number one, their case is hard to need because sometimes the certain cases that hard to investigate, for example, that because they need more data, for example, and this is like out of the capacity of the human itself. That is why we need to delay some, they need to delay some cases, for example, like sacrifice sacrifice other cases, for example. So that is why this kind of case like be in piles, for example, or stacks. That is why like there's a big like creating cultural damage that affect to the decision itself, because they are already confused, and they are their capacity in terms of like doing their job, like they are human being, they are tired, and so on and so forth. That is why it will be affect to the decision making the day.